Okay, third graders, so for this week's math review is going to be multiplying and dividing. So let's activate our prior knowledge because this is all review. So we did this at the beginning of the school year. So now let's practice these skills that we have learned. So here's a quick anchor chart to help us activate our prior knowledge about multiplication and division. So remember, we use multiplication when we know the number of groups and the amount of each group. So we know that the amount is 5 in each group, and there are 4 groups. So we know that the total amount is going to be 20. So same thing for division. We use division when we know the total amount, and when we are trying to find the number of groups or the amount in each group. So right here shows us an example of total amount is 20 divided by the number of groups. There are 4 boxes. And then we know that 20 divided by 4 is going to give us that 5 in each group. Okay? I also want to show another resource that we also have. So right on the very next slide, this is our other resource. Let me get my camera out of the way real fast. Okay, so ways to multiply. So there's an array, there's a repeated addition, equal groups, and then number lines. These are the different ways that we can show our multiplication. Same thing with division. So division, we can do equal groups, the total divided by how many groups there are, and then solving how many is in each group. Same thing with, we can show an array. We could do repeated subtraction or related facts. So 18 divided by 6 equals blank. Then you can switch. So 6 times what number is going to give me that total? 18. Okay, so I hope that this has helped review multiplication and division. Good luck. On the next slide, there's 2 videos. Please make sure you're watching both videos to help you get an understanding so that it can help you during your math practice. Great job, third graders. Keep up the hard work, and I will catch you in another video. Thank you for watching.